MI-26, a military heavy lift helicopter of Russian origin. This is the largest helicopter in the world and among the most unique man has built. The MI-26 can hold more load than most helicopters in the world. At high altitudes, it has carried vehicles, artillery field guns, heavy-duty generators, and even a bulldozer into terrain that seems impossible to navigate. It takes 5 people to operate this machine, but most of all, the unit that operates this giant aircraft has the distinction of operating the world's heaviest helicopter on the world's highest and coldest battlefield.
With the controlled operations, the load is hooked to the helicopter.
Fitted with 60 stretchers in 4 tiers, which makes an all-of weight of 44.47 tons.